Marisol, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Raymond, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Well, I saw you there just the other day. You smiled at me in a secret way, so I let you in and you captured me. I'm your prisoner, that's what I wanna be. When it feels
To God, because God called you to this kind of relationship, of husband and wife relationship.
I'm just glad that I found you.
Raymond, you are my best friend. Today, I give myself to you in marriage. I promise to encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you, and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. I promise to love you in good times and in bad. When life seems easy and when it seems hard, when our love is simple and when it's an effort. I promise to cherish you and to always hold you in highest regard. These things I give to you today and all the days of my life. I love you so much.
Feels like is it all the stars lift you up. Will I place you high above, on top of the world? And you know it must be right, 'cause it's burning up inside. I can feel it in your eyes. I want you to know, yeah, I'm just glad that I found you.
Marisol, nangangako ako sa Panginoon, sampu ng ating pamilya at kaibigan, na ako'y magiging mapagmahal at tapat mong kabiyak at itatanging karugtong ng aking buhay, ngayon at magpakailanman.
And you know it must be right, 'cause it's burning up inside. I can feel it in your eyes. I want you to know, yeah. When it feels like it's love, all the stars that lift you up, will place you high above, on top of the world. I'm so glad that I found you, yeah, yeah. Well, I'm glad that I found you. I'm just glad that I found you.
I will forever be thankful for your exceptional love and affection, as it is truly like no other I have known before. I love you.